Checking in and checking out, that's what we're going to talk about. My name is Stahl and I teach leadership and self-leadership. Checking in and checking out, it's a way to create boundaries for a meeting. If you have a 15-minute meeting, usually you just intuitively create that boundary. You know, you chit-chat in the beginning, you talk about the weather, or if the weather is consistent, then you talk about something else that is harmless. It's a way for us to define that this is the team, we are the ones going to have this conversation, the two of us or the five of us. We create that boundary saying that now we begin when everybody has landed in, meaning when everybody has heard their voice. Yeah, how's the weather? It's crappy here, you know, Sweden in the spring. And someone else says, yeah, well, I live in Marbella, so the weather is really nice here, yeah. Okay. Cool. It's a harmless way, a starting point for a conversation, but it creates a frame, a boundary, the beginning and then checking out at the end. So does everybody know what you're going to do? And they're looking forward to the weekend? Yeah. Checking out. Now, if you have a longer session, like a 5-hour session or a 3-day session, you do a bigger check-in. You have check-in exercises, you call them icebreakers, but what it is a harmless way of creating connection, creating a frame and a boundary around what starts and finishes. Checking in, checking out. That's it. Good luck.